Hi everyone, today we will unbox the Anker MagGo 10K Power Bank. It's Qi 2 certified, which means it can charge wireless devices up to 15 watts, which makes it charge devices up to 2 times faster than regular wireless chargers. The device is priced at $89.99 and comes in two colors, black stone and shell white. Here we have the shell white. Let's start with the unboxing. We have a quick start guide inside the box, a 2-foot USB-C to USB-C cable, a power bank. On the front, we see the Qi 2 symbol in the center of the MagSafe charging surface. The power bank has a plastic feel and the stand has a metallic finish. Beneath that, there's some nice texture. We have a smart display and an on-off button on the right side. We have a USB-C input-output port on the left side. On the back, we have the stand, which is spring-loaded. When we click the on-off button, the display will work and show the battery level. When the power bank charges other devices, we can see the battery level and expected usage time with a small arrow on the top right corner of the screen. The green power mark flashes right above the battery level when the device gets charged. When the device is connected to power source and charging device at the same time, the screen shows the arrow only for a while, and then it starts showing the power symbol blinking. Weirdly, it takes that much time to indicate that the device is charging and being charged in the same time. Let's compare this device to similar devices. First, we will have a size comparison between the Anker MagGo 10K Power Bank, the Anker 633 Magnetic Battery MagGo, the Belkin Magnetic Wireless Power Bank 5K, which are similar devices, and the Anker Prime 20,000 mAh Power Bank, which doesn't have wireless charging capability, and the Anker MagGo Wireless Charging Station, which doesn't have battery inside. The device is similar to the Anker 633 Magnetic Battery MagGo and the Belkin Magnetic Wireless Power Bank 5K, so we will compare these three. The Anker 633 Magnetic Battery 10,000 mAh is smaller in size and lighter in weight. It doesn't have a display, but it has an LED indicator to show the battery level. And it has USB-C and USB-A charging ports, and can charge wirelessly at 7.5 watt rate. The device is priced at $79.99 and comes in three colors: Interstellar Gray, Dolomite White, and Misty Blue. The Belkin Magnetic Wireless Power Bank 5000 mAh has an LED indicator similar to the Anker 633, but has no display. It has one USB-C in-out port and can charge at 7.5 watt rate. The device comes in four colors and is priced at $49.99 for pink and purple colors and $59.99 for black and white colors. The device's weights are: the display doesn't show in or out charging rate or battery temperature like the Anker Prime 20,000 mAh, which we reviewed before. Conclusion: the Anker MagGo 10K Power Bank can provide a 15-watt wireless charging rate, which reduces charging time in half, and that's a nice feature to have. The device has a smart display that shows precise battery level, better than the LED indicator used in older models. The smart display would be better if it could show the charging rate and device temperature, similar to the display on Anker Prime 20,000 mAh. It's priced at $89.99 for the features it provides. It's an excellent option. I use the Anker 633 magnetic battery daily. But with $10 price difference, faster charging, and a smart display, I would choose the Anker MagGo 10,000 power bank without hesitation. The lack of USB-A port doesn't bother me because all devices are moving to the faster, more advanced USB-C ports. Even Apple changed their charging port from the Lightning cable to the USB-C cable on the iPhone 15. As we stated in previous reviews, I wish Anker would make a fabric pouch standard with all the power banks to keep power banks and charging cables together during traveling. By the way, I tried my third-party Anker 633 magnetic battery power bank case on the new Anker MagGo 10,000 power bank, and I can fit it inside. So if you purchase this power bank and you needed a case, I think it's a good option. I will leave the case link on Amazon in the video description. Using the link will not increase your price, but will help the channel with a small commission from Amazon for every purchase. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and please support us by like, share and subscribe. Have a good one.